Hi everyone, Six String Supplies. I just thought I'd introduce myself. I've been doing these videos for the last 3.5 years or so, and I think I've only appeared on camera once for about 5 seconds. So I thought I'd give you an idea of who's behind the hands. The whole format of the videos is that you only have to see my hands and listen to my monotonous, boring voice. But there we go. Strange times. I hope everyone's staying safe, taking care of themselves. That's my cat in the background. Not an employee, but good for moral support anyway. Anyway, the reason why I'm doing this video is because it's actually a follow-on from the video a couple of days ago with the Les Paul Out of Phase. I've actually decided I loved it so much that I'm going to be doing it as a standard harness, adding to our wiring loom range. It's going to be available in long shaft and short shaft pots, and the whole point of this video really is just to give you a bit of an extended demo on how it all sounds. The reality is our most popular kit is the Jimmy Page wiring harness, which is the 4 push-pull pots, and it gives you an extra 21. I don't know why I'm doing it in inverted commas. It does give you 21 switching options, but I find it a bit much, to be honest. So I've tried to scale it back a bit, and that's the idea of this kit. It's just 1 push-pull pot, incredibly easy to install. If you watch the previous video, you'll see how to install it there. So what I'm going to do is plug it in and play. I'll move the cat protect her ears, but I'll plug it in and play and give you guys a bit of an extended demo on how it all sounds. Hopefully you enjoy it. I apologise in advance. I'm not much of a player. I was a decent player 15 years ago. I used to play 4 hours every day just for fun and passion. Unfortunately, as I've got older and other things in life and running a business means that I rarely get the time to play. But there you go. I do what I can. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to get in touch. I know a lot of people have made requests. I'm not ignoring you. I am trying to get through the list, but again, being a very small team here at Six String Supplies, during these unprecedented times, we are unbelievably busy because obviously everyone's at home wanting to work on their guitars, which is great from a business point of view. But in terms of taking a step back and reflecting, I just haven't had time to do that many videos recently. But I will be getting on it in the weeks that come. But anyway, thanks very much for watching and subscribing. It really is appreciated. And we'll see you real soon in the next video.